You are looking amazing.
Thank you.
And not just your cute outfit. We did your uppers, your lowers, and then you had Voluma, I think, beforehand,
Yes.
Boo. So people always think that if it's just in the cheek, it doesn't count. But like I was explaining, the knee bone is connected to the hip bone, the cheek and the eyelids are connected. And people do get swelling afterwards. So we had injected Hyalin X, which is the enzyme that will dissolve fillers. Voluma is the one that we probably see the most commonly, like where people will have problems with like swelling afterwards. So at least you're not alone, but it is like a very frustrating thing for people. Like exactly like what you were saying that like, I don't know, what's your experience?
So I will go to sleep, have a good night's rest, and then sometimes I'll wake up and there'll be like a golf ball or just like extra puffy swelling.
Yeah, and annoyingly, it's wine and
soy sauce.
Sushi. Like
Sushi and wine is the double duo.
How annoying! Like the two things that you'd want.
Yeah.
So I can kind of see it, but it's not that. It's hard to see sometimes on camera. But when you've had, especially Juvederm or Voluma, those are like the ones that frustrate me the most. Like you can kind of point it out, but
it's like right here in this area.
Yeah, where it was hollow, and they put the filler in there. They were putting it in there to kind of fill the space, but then it works like a sponge. It kind of like sucks up fluid. So today what we'll do is we'll just, I'll mark it out.
Okay.
And then Cindy had just did an ultrasound, so we actually know the depth of it. And it didn't look like a crazy amount actually at this point, but even like a small amount will suck up a lot of fluid. So dissolving a little bit will make it better. Okay. And then hopefully that's it.
Awesome.
Cool, great. All right, let's take a look. And then look up at the,
Right exactly where you marked it.
Here, I think, right? And like kind of, so the Hyalin X you've had before, like during the surgery, right?
Yeah, this will be, and this is important that people know, this will be my 4th round.
Yeah, Voluma is like honestly the most annoying one. It's a whole separate video on like how many times you need to have the Hyalin X injected, but it's pretty frustrating. It's like a common one that causes swelling, and it needs like a little bit more. Like you don't even need numbing. You're going to feel like a little pinch, and it feels cold, but it's actually not bad.
Okay.
So, okay. Great.
Doing okay?
I'm doing good.
Isn't that cool?
That is cool.
You can see like where it was because like I was pushing on it right now and like it indented.
Yep.
Yeah, but like it'll work over the course of like 24 hours. Like a lot of the action happens in the first hour.
Okay.
But it continues to work a little bit over the first like 24 hours, and it does like some pretty wild things. It gets like bruised, swollen, big, small, like over the first 24 hours, and then it like chills out.
Perfect.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
So I try to like put a little bit in there because it's annoying, but it's like not the biggest deal.
Okay.
But once you start like hollowing it out, then you gotta put it in, and it's like that's like a whole nother issue. Okay. So, but I try to do as little as possible, so I think you're gonna be okay, like hopefully. But Voluma, the analogy is like this. So if you had like a block of ice, right, and you poured like a cup of hot water on it, it would melt the surface, but it wouldn't like do the inside, right?
Right.
If you had crushed ice, you put the same cup of hot water on it, it would melt more of it. Voluma is like a block of solid ice, like very tightly held together, whereas like Restylane is a little easier. It's like more like crushed ice.
Okay.
So it's normal for Voluma to have like the same kind of experience like you're having, where it's like, it takes a while because you're just like pouring a cup on a block of ice.
Gotcha.
It's like, there's still some more in there, but you'll get there eventually.
Okay.
You're looking amazing, actually. Like,
Thank you.
You look so great.
Thank
yeah.
you.
Cool.
I feel great. I love it.
Yeah, thanks.